Hello, my name is Patricia Thornton. I create short videos with simple instructions related to Sage Intacct ERP software. This is a video on how to create a Sage Intacct dashboard component. We always start the first minute of the presentation with a PowerPoint, only to give you the lay of the land. This is a two-step process. The first step should be completed. If you haven't created your dashboard, please pause this video, go create your dashboard, return, and proceed to step two. If you've never created a dashboard, you can pause this video, return to my YouTube library. You'll find a video. It's 8 minutes on how to create a dashboard. Then you too can return and proceed to step two. All right, so we always start in Intacct at the home page. We go to the drop down on for the application, select dashboard. We're going to focus on the dashboard group titled Statement of Activities, and we're going to update the first dashboard in that group, comparing current to prior year. Once we double click on our dashboard label, you you should expect to see same as the screen print below. So in the far left corner is a confirmation on your dashboard group, and then a confirmation on the dashboard selected. To the far right corner is where Intacct stores all of its toolbar, always does. So we're going to select the first tool in that toolbar to add a component. There's only 4 fields to complete the component properties. The first field is the component type, which is a report. Below is the report source. There's only 2 choices. We're selecting the first, the financial report. The second choice is a memorized report. That would be one of the subledger reports. Either choice, they must exist because the next field is a required field, and you have to tell the software or which report. The final field on the component properties is the component title. It will inherit the name of the report, but you have the ability to tailor it to your needs. My convention, I like to have my component title agree with the dashboard title that it will be attached to. And that is demonstrated in the screen print below, where we have our statement of activities, dashboard group. We've selected the first dashboard in that group, and then the first component attached to the dashboard is a flash report, which is the statement of activities comparing current to prior year. Let's focus back up to the dashboard banner and over to the right, and we'll see our dashboard filters. The only filter is the date. So if you notice, the component below has the data for May 31st, 2025 in the first column, the prior year, 2024 in the second, and then the difference in the final column to the right. That concludes the PowerPoint presentation. If you'd like to contact me about my consulting services, have any questions about Sage Intacct, my contact information. All right, we're starting the demonstration, and we'll focus to the top left corner. We're on the home page, and to the right is the drop down for our applications. We're going to select dashboard and then focus to the bottom to our group statement of activities and select the first dashboard in that group. We're going to focus all the way to the right, and we're going to select the plus sign to add the component. We'll select report as our component type. We have our financial report. Otherwise, we had one other choice, memorize our subledger reports. Below is a required field. We have to tell the software what report. We're selecting our statement of activities, current prior year. Below the component title has inherited that report name, and we're going to shorten it to align to the dashboard name. Now we have our dashboard name aligns with our component below, our flash report name, and we're going to focus to the right to our dashboard filters. We have our May 31st, 2025 as our date filter. We have no other filters. Below, our data represents in the first column, May 31st, 25 compared to May 2024, and the final column to the right is the difference. Let's change our date back to April 30th. Apply. Our current year is now April 2025. Our prior year is April 2024, and our difference. Before we wrap up, let's focus back up to the banner, our dashboard banner in the far top left corner. I want to demonstrate some of the benefits. You'll note here that there's a drop down where we can select any of the dashboards in this dashboard group with one click. Each dashboard is another flash report. So let's put this to everyday usage. I am comparing my statement of activities, budget versus actual. I see a variance. So I jump down to my rolling 12 months, and I see that there was a spike in the expense this month. When I go back up to the current prior year, I say that there was the same spike last year. Drilling down, I realize it's our property tax assessment. And that concludes this video. If you found this video of value, please hit the like button. If you want to connect, see the final slide in the PowerPoint presentation. If you want to know more about Sage Intacct, please see my YouTube library. I will continuously be updating. And as always, thank you for viewing. I appreciate your time.